Today I am going to be showing you a special recipe and we're going to be using the chayote again. So this is a special vegetable slash fruit that can be used in a variety of things, and today we are going to use it in some muffins. And this recipe is shared from Dee's Recipes, and she makes amazing phase 1 protocol recipes. We're going to be making some great chayote muffins with some of our ideal protein products. So here we go. In this recipe, we're going to be making apple cinnamon muffins, and we're going to be using the chayote. So I bought this cool gadget here, and I'll put a link down below so you can check it out on Amazon. But what I really like about this is it's got 5 different types of graters. So you can see this grater here. It's got this guy here that pulls out. It's super easy to clean, to put together. And then this here has these nice little things that impale your whatever you're working on. So here we can just kind of impale this and then start working on grating the chayote. So let's talk about chayote. Chayote is really great for your heart. It is filled with B vitamins, which are folate. It is also filled with vitamin C. It's got a high amount of vitamin C in it, which is great for preventing cancer and keeping our immune systems up. Additionally, it has manganese, and what manganese does is it converts protein and fat to energy. So another great source of energy as we're on our ketogenic program here. Additionally, let's see, filled with fiber. So our fiber is what keeps us running smoothly, which we all want to do. This is filled with fiber. It keeps your thyroid healthy because it provides copper, which is a mineral linked in thyroid metabolism, hormone production, and absorption. And it also has zinc in it, which helps with acne. So it's got so much stuff in it: vitamin K, potassium, B6, magnesium, so many good things. Magnesium, of course, keeps us from having leg cramps. It also keeps our digestive system running super good. So this is about 1/2 cup, which is what we are looking for here. So I'm going to grab some other towels here. So one of the things you want to do anytime that you're working with a vegetable that is, all of our vegetables have a lot of hydration, have a lot of water in them, which is another reason that they are on our list, our select veggies list. We are hydrating ourselves not only by drinking water, but we're hydrating ourselves from the inside out. And so that's a really important part of the metabolic process of burning your fat and flushing the fat through the lymphatic system. So here we've got our chayote, and we're going to put that in our bowl here. All right, so there we go. And along with that, we are going to be adding our 1 egg yolk and 1 ounce of water. That's going to go in there. And then additionally, we're going to do 2 teaspoons of our grapeseed oil, and we're going to mix all of this together. So things to think about when you are using your oils and any kind of things that you need to measure specifically. So we measure all of our vegetables raw, and we measure all of our proteins raw to make sure that we are getting the right amount and we're not overdoing it, we're not underdoing it. All right, so the next is we're going to mix up our dry ingredients. We're going to be adding a packet of the Ideal Protein apple oatmeal into our bowl here. And then we are going to be doing, I'm a cinnamon lover, so I'm going to do a whole teaspoon, but you could do a 1/2 teaspoon. If you want a little bit less cinnamon, I put cinnamon in a lot of things. And then we are going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of our baking powder. Here we go. Always can use this little edge here to get the right amount. So those are our dry ingredients. We're going to mix those up together, and then we're going to add them to our mixture that we already have of the egg, water, and the chayote. So you always want to mix your dry ingredients separately. Don't stick them in with all of your wet ingredients, because if the baking powder is uneven, it will not, it won't rise properly. Maybe you'll have 3 great muffins and a couple that aren't so great. So those are things to think about. And now that we have all of our batter, I'm going to be using the mini muffin tins today. You could use 2 like big tins, or you could use several of the mini muffin tins. So here we go. I was able to get 8 little mini muffins here in the tin, and we're going to put them in the oven, and we're going to bake them for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. See you in a minute. I hope you like the recipe that we made today, and please share, like, subscribe, because this is the way that we share with you and educate you on great ways to enjoy your new ideal protein lifestyle. Let us know your questions, any ideas that you have, your favorite recipes, and of course, show us how you are enjoying the chayote and your favorite ways to make it. See you soon. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.